guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tiffany. I am at Trader Joe's right now. We're on a little shopping spree. I got my awesome buddy over here. She is my super helper, and we are going to run into Trader Joe's and grab some things, and then I will let you guys know what we got. Okay, we are back home, and these are all of the things that I got. I wanted to try some new dips. These looked super good, and half of us can't have dairy. So I got this vegan tzatziki dip. I tried a little bit of it before, and so I got more of it. It is super good. And I got this vegan caramelized onion dip. I have never had that before. So that looked really good. I bought this nacho vegan dip before, and we've been eating it, and it's really good. You're actually supposed to heat it up, I guess, but we actually eat it without even heating it up. That's how good it is. And then I got some hummus, because I eat a lot of hummus. I also got this honey Aleppo sauce. I'm guessing that's how you say it. I have no idea what it is or what it's for, but the ingredients sounded really good. So I don't know, we could put it on chicken, something. It just sounded really good. So I got that. I love Trader Joe's vegan Caesar dressing. It is super good. I miss Caesar dressing so bad. I used to have it in this place in Pendleton, Oregon, and they had this smoked salmon Caesar salad that was amazing. And so I have missed Caesar dressing since then, and so now I got from Costco some smoked salmon so I can have some yummy salads. I got some cucumbers because my kids love cucumbers. We put those in their lunches. I got some carrots because my kids like that, but my dog actually loves it too, our puppy. So had to have some of that. He's teething right now, so the nice cold carrot he loves. I got these crunchy almond butter puff cereal. I saw someone else had it, and it looked really good. I don't know if you guys subscribe to the Trader Joe's Instagram page, but they've always got really good recommendations on there. So a lot of times I will jump on there and see what they have that's new that I haven't tried. So we're gonna try this almond butter puff cereal because it looked really good. My kids, at least, they're kind of the cereal eaters. I'm not so much, but who knows, maybe I'll like it. My kids love being able to have blueberry waffles in the morning. In the mornings, it's kind of crazy. So everybody pretty much makes their own breakfast except for my 6-year-old. So these are great because they could just throw it in the toaster oven and heat it up. And of course, you know, they've got to put whipped cream on it, but that's what they usually have in the mornings. It's kind of a treat. I also, for some quick nights, when we're running low on time, I got this chicken fried rice. I actually get 2 of the chicken fried rice, and then I get 1 of the vegetable fried rice because I don't eat much egg. So I get the vegetable fried rice for myself and just put shrimp or something in it, and then usually do the chicken fried rice for the kids and my husband. Then I got some corn tortillas. We're gonna go over to my mom's and have a taco night tonight, so I got some corn tortillas for that. I got some pita bread because at Costco, they sell some gyro meat that's super good. I can't have it because I can't have gluten because there's wheat in it, but my husband can. But I just end up actually buying some of these chicken skewers that are amazing from Costco, and I'll make mine with that. And then I'll use gluten-free tortillas instead. But all of my kids and husband that can have wheat will have that, and then some of that tzatziki dip, which is super good. And let's see, I got hamburger buns because we're gonna be having hamburgers sometime this week. I also have some Trader Joe's hamburger buns left over, I'm pretty sure, hopefully. So I usually get the gluten-free ones. White cheddar corn puffs, my kids have tried. I think they have like a sour cream one. They didn't like that one as much, but they do love the white cheddar. It's like pirate's booty, and so they eat that. I also got some veggie sticks for them to snack on, some cheese puffs that they love. These are my favorite tortilla chips. I also love the Late July's lime flavored ones, but these ones are super good. We usually get the organic Costco ones, but I have just kind of gotten sick of those. And so these are my total replacement. I love these. A new thing that we got that I've never had before is these sprinkle walk into a sandwich cookie. I saw those on the shelf and I was like, those look really fun. So we always like to try at least one new treat. They were actually out of a lot of stuff today at Trader Joe's. I wanted to get some Swedish fish, or I guess they call them Norwegian swimmers, and unfortunately they were out. So I didn't get any of those, but we tried these last time we went to Trader Joe's. These are the pinks and whites shortbread cookies. My kids love these. Most of the things I only get to keep in my pantry for a couple of days if my kids get a hold of it. And then I got just some mac and cheese for them because oftentimes we're running to games or sports or something, and this is something my kids can make on their own. One new thing that we've started getting are these pizza crusts. They are amazing, and you just throw a little bit of spaghetti sauce on there and some cheese. We'll get some like mushrooms and veggies going on it, or sometimes just some pepperoni or ham, and throw it in the oven for like, I don't know, not very long, like 10 minutes, and it's really, really good pizza. So when we're in a hurry, we'll also do that. If you can't find these, you can also use pita bread. I think there's also like a gluten-free pita bread somewhere I saw. I cannot remember. I'm assuming Fry's. I thought Trader Joe's had one, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. But you can also make basically the same thing really quickly with pita bread too. It's really good. Hopefully all the new things I bought are really good. Anything that you think I should try from Trader Joe's, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos.